Shooting film is expensive and this workflow has saved me hundreds of dollars. I'm saving about $15 to $30 a roll just by doing one thing differently, and that is scanning my own film. At my local lab, I pay about $13 a roll just for developing, and beforehand I used to pay $30 plus for both developing and scanning. And when you're shooting film regularly like I am, it adds up really fast. And now I want to show you my personal film workflow on how I scan my own film and how I've been saving a ton of money. For my setup, I use the Holo Advance by Blackscale Lab. It's an awesome film scanning system where I can just use my own digital camera. And the camera of choice that I use is the Sony A1 with the Sony 90mm macro lens. And then I do all of my processing on Lightroom with the program called Negative Lab Pro. The reason why I went with the Holo Advance is because it is just small and compact. After my Holo Advance is all set up, I like to tether my camera to the laptop because it saves a lot of time when the files go straight into Lightroom. I don't have to worry about transferring the photos off of my memory card. It makes the workflow faster and easier, especially if you're going through multiple rolls. Once I'm done scanning my film, I do basic adjustments like cropping and rotating. Once that's all done, I bring it into Negative Lab Pro to convert those negatives into positives. And within NLP, I just do minor adjustments like white balance, exposure, and contrast. Once I'm done with NLP, I export them all into TIFF files and bring it all back into Lightroom, and this is where I'll be doing my main edits. I'll be adjusting the white balance, contrast, exposure, and removing the dust. And honestly, I don't really go too crazy on the edits. I just try to match what I saw when I took the photo. And just to be clear, I don't claim to be an expert at scanning and editing film. I'm just doing what works and looks best for me. So take all this information with a grain of salt. Anyways, that's my workflow. Film is expensive, and scanning my own film has saved me hundreds of dollars. And especially in this economy, I'm trying to save as much money as possible so that I can buy more Pokemon cards. Also, if you have any questions on scanning film and all those things, hit me up and I'll try to answer them. See you later.